What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Pineal Awakening before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is be careful with the website where you're going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Pineal Awakening works. What is Pineal Awakening? Pineal Awakening is a powerful plant-based supplement designed to detoxify and activate your pineal gland, also known as a third eye. This tiny gland in your brain is responsible for regulating melatonin, enhancing mental clarity, and influencing spiritual awareness. Pineal Awakening helps restore optimal pineal function using time-tested botanicals and adaptogens, giving you clearer focus, deeper sleep, and elevated consciousness. How does Pineal Awakening work? This unique formula works by removing toxic buildup that can calcify the pineal gland over time. Through daily use, Pineal Awakening promotes gentle detoxification, improves melatonin secretion, and supports your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. It may also help elevate mood and enhance your sense of inner awareness.